Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a UK TikTok account without VPN. Now, do you want better monetization options on TikTok? Well, let me tell you something. The UK TikTok has access to more monetization features like the TikTok Creativity Program or Brand Partnership Program. And it is also diverse in audience reach, and your content won't reach your local area alone. It will also reach audience across the UK, US, and other foreign countries. Most people think you need complicated tools, but today I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step tricks to create a UK TikTok account without VPN. You heard me, without VPN. So just in a few minutes, stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to reveal the biggest mistake that stop most people from unlocking UK TikTok content. So make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. Let's head down to our screen. Yeah, right now we are here on our web browser, and this is the TikTok page in the web browser. This is because we will first of all sign up a new TikTok account using the web browser, not the app, not the TikTok app. So head down to the web browser. This is the homepage of TikTok. See that place I click, then search for UK, United Kingdom. Make sure you move it from Nigeria to United Kingdom. Yes, it has now changed to United Kingdom. You can see it. I'm using my mouse pointer to point it. Then you head to sign up TikTok. It will bring this page. You put in your date of birth. Okay, I'm putting in my date of birth. Okay, just a date of birth, something above 18 years is just okay for it. Let's see, 19. Okay, let me choose this. Then you see this a place for phone number to use to sign up, but don't click it. Click email. Make sure you put an email that has not been used for TikTok before. This is an email. So then you put your password. You set your password you want to use for the TikTok, and you see then a code is going to be sent to the email for confirmation. Okay, and let's wait for confirmation. I've checked my email, the email I placed there. That I've been able to check the email, and this is the code, the verification code needed to be placed so as we can move forward for our UK TikTok creation. I've copied the code, as you can see right here. I'm taking it back to the TikTok page where I can enter the 6-digit code so that I can confirm it. Yeah, that's it over here. I'm going to place it right now, and once I place it there, then I click next. I'm going to click next so that our UK TikTok can get created. Okay, it's loading right now. Let's wait for it to load and take us to the next page.
Minutes later.
Okay, here we are. It has taken us to the next page, and over here we are going to choose the name, your username. You have to choose the username you want to use for your TikTok page. You can see I'm choosing the username right now. Okay, choosing the username right now, and yes, once it accepts, then I click on here and it will take me to another page. Yeah, you can see I'm now logged in to my new UK TikTok account. It is the new UK TikTok account, and you don't need VPN to do all this, like I stated in the beginning of this video. As you can see right now, I see choose where your ads are being shared. You can just click anyone you like. These are not that important right now. Okay, as you can see. So for us to know that we created a UK TikTok account, this is the proof. You click on your profile. This is the profile. You click on. Okay, you can see. And we're checking it. Let's follow this. Sorry, let me refresh it right now back. Let me follow this task. This is just a task for that. Okay. It's just a task. Okay. Now let me prove to you that it's a UK TikTok. You click on your settings, and of course you can see right there where my mouse, you can see account check United Kingdom.
You have created your UK TikTok. All you need to do right now, and you have confirmed that it is a UK TikTok from what I've shown on my screen. Now I'm heading down to my phone, because once you create the UK TikTok on your laptop without the VPN, as we created it, we've successfully created our UK TikTok account. Then you need to log in that same TikTok to your TikTok app on your phone, and make sure you are using the TikTok, the main TikTok app, not the TikTok Lite app. You head down to your app, you log in. I've seen right now that same account I've logged it in my TikTok app, and let me confirm if it is a true TikTok app. This is the second confirmation, and we are going to confirm with the creativity program. So let's head down. This is our page. Let's head down to this three dot up there. You see your TikTok studio. You go to your TikTok studio and you will see your creator tools. This is where this is another way to confirm if you have created the right TikTok account. So you can see monetization. You can see subscription to creator reward program. You can see the monetization program, subscription, TikTok shop for sellers, creator reward program, creator marketplace, work for everything. This creator reward program, this is another confirmation to show that you have successfully created a UK TikTok account, and with this you are able to use to create content and go viral on TikTok. Of course, you know TikTok is a very good platform that goes viral easily. So with this you are safe, and you can start earning money from your content creation